Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Chef Mangal. Today I am going to make penne pasta with alfredo sauce and chicken. Don't worry, mushroom is there. And the recipe is so easy and this pasta is so delicious. And I guarantee you, if you follow the recipe, you will make a better pasta than me. So let's start and cook our penne pasta, king of pasta family. Just check it out what ingredients I'm going to use. Penne pasta. This is chicken dice, seasoned with salt, pepper and my favorite chili flakes. Diced onion, mushroom slice, mozzarella cheese and milk, heavy cream and garlic. To make a proper pasta, you have to boil water with salt and oil and then add your penne pasta. And this pasta cook it till you get al dente, because we have to cook in sauce also. See, the pasta is ready. Take it out and put under cold running water. Keep it aside for that. Now take a pan, add olive oil with butter. When butter starts melting, it's melted already. Now you can add diced onion and cook diced onion till onion change the color. You can see complete recipe in description. Oh my God! At this stage, you can add chopped garlic. Italian people, when they make any Italian dish, they use cheese and garlic too much. So cook it for 1 minute and then add your diced chicken, which is seasoned already, salt, pepper, chili flakes. Cook chicken from both the sides till chicken tender. It's a thin chicken. It takes 2 minutes to cook it. Now time to add milk and cook in a penne pasta which already you cooked all that thing. Cook for a minute because everything is cooked now. This is the heavy cream. I am making creamy alfredo sauce. Cook it again 1 or 2 minutes. And now time to add your cheese, which main ingredient for this pasta sauce. Mix it. When it starts melting, add Italian spices, sliced mushroom, mix it well. Oh, this is chili flakes. You will love it. Check the seasoning this time. If you feel anything is less, you can add. I am adding a little salt. Mix it again. And now this is cornstarch. Very little cornstarch I use to make it sauce thicker. This is main flavor, basil flavor. This herb is really so nice. Chili flakes, which is a little bit Indian touch. And now your pasta is ready. Serve, garnish with again cheese. Oh my God, what a look. My favorite dish. And I'm guarantee I told you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like. If you enjoy, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'm guaranteed you'll like the dish. See you next Saturday, same time, with another delicious dish. Thank you.